What's up, guys, and welcome back to another GNCRC video. Today's video is sponsored by none other than RC All-Wheel Drive. So I have a little bit of bad news about my Losi B. One of them, I abandoned the project. Here's that chassis, guys, and it will be for sale soon. So if any of you guys are interested, go ahead and comment below. Let me know. So that chassis has returned back to what it originally was, kind of sort of, other than I pulled out the stock electronics and I got a cheap system off of Amazon. We'll talk about that another day. So the reason why I did that is because I'm going to use this particular one at my local track, on the carpet track, when they start doing carpet race. So that's the reason why I switched it back. These wheels will come off and we'll be putting the stock ones on for right now until I know what really works really well. And of course, we'll be using the MB4 on this particular one. But as a bunch of you guys know, when you put these things on the shelf and you don't sit them on anything, the shocks get bad. So these shocks are terrible. These are adjusted where they're all the way down and it still sags quite a bit. So these shocks are definitely bad and they need to be rebuilt. But the guys over at RC All-Wheel Drive reached out and decided to send me a set of shocks. And for this particular one, we got a set of axles as well. You notice those are not installed. I never had them on the other chassis. So let's go ahead and get into what they sent me. So these are the CVDs by RC All-Wheel Drive. They do come in a couple different finishes. I got the silver. They come in black as well. These are the 2.0 versions, which are stronger than the original ones they had. And they're a whole lot stronger than the ones that are stock. And we have the 2.0 shocks as well. This is the whole set. These come a couple different ways. You can buy fronts only, the rear only, or a full set. And they come in different colors. They have red, blue, and then of course the black. So why do I have two sets? So this is the one that had the TP motor. It's still the same. I just hadn't done anything with it. We're going to change these wheels out as well. I'll show you guys what I'm going to be changing this to on another video. You probably already know if you know me. I know I'm going to get this question. Why hadn't I run it? Because I'm still looking for a spot long enough where I can go ahead and stretch this thing out. That's the only thing I hate about building builds like this. If you don't have a spot to take it to, it's almost pointless. It's just too overpowered to run outside your house. But stay tuned. I know I keep saying it, but I'll be running this pretty soon. I think I got a place. So now we're at the important part of the video. Guys, I need you to do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you guys aren't subscribed. Go ahead and hit the like button, comment, and share this video. Thanks in advance. And I forgot to mention we're going to be changing this body as well. As you guys can see, this was a big upgrade. This thing has been sitting on a shelf for, I don't know, 3 years. The worst thing you can do is sit it on the shelf and let those wheels sit on the ground. This rectified that problem. I 3D printed some stands, so we'll no longer have that problem. If this spring rake that these come with is not good enough for you, you can always change these out. You got multiple springs. Now on this particular one, I hadn't changed them out yet, but I did put the CVDs in. They go in really easy. That's gonna be a really nice upgrade. Like I said earlier, this buggy will be used for the outdoor course, and we'll eventually get around to doing some speed runs with this particular one. Once again, shout out to RC All-Wheel Drive. I'll leave a link below in the description for the shocks and also for the CVDs. And if you use my code, you will get an additional 5% off of your order. The next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.